Well, for me, it's always, like you say, it's kind of startling when you see people. I knew a lot of those people from conversations that I'd had with them on my channel, but a lot of them I only knew through watching them on somebody else's conversation. And there's something very, I don't know, there's something very mysterious that happens when you walk into a space and there's real live people there. The first time it happened to me was when I was at the Chino conference about a year and a half ago. And I met somebody that I had only seen online and had never actually talked to online. I met them in person, and it felt almost like there was gold dust falling from the ceiling in between the two of us, because that real person was so much more real. Well, I don't know if that's exactly right. There's also something, Jonathan Peugeot talked about this one time, about how when we're on these screens, there's a light behind us. So there's a light that comes through us from the screen. Mm-hmm. And so people are naturally kind of illuminated from within on the screen, which kind of adds to their persona, if you will. Even if you're trying your best to be a real person, a real, authentic, just normal human being, the fact that you're on a screen already gives you some kind of star power, if you would. Like when you walked into the barbecue and everybody's walking up, oh, Clara, I've seen you online before. It's almost like a meeting of movie stars. Oh, yeah, I saw your movie. Right?
Yeah, but nobody's trying to like play it off or anything. It's just kind of,
yeah. So you met all these people, and what was your impression of them?
Just what a gift, right? Because, sometimes you're a little bit anxious kind of going into these spaces, right? And you're like, oh, maybe this person doesn't like me, or, oh, this person and I might disagree about, this particular thing, right? But then, like you say, this kind of humanity of it, people met and there was no disagreement. There was no rehashing of whatever happened online. So that was, I don't want to say it was surprising to me, because obviously I would be very optimistic, right? About things just going absolutely well, but I felt, Karen, that things went just so beautifully well, just really exceeding maybe anybody's expectation, just how warm and hospitable, and is that what you were thinking?
Well, I'm just drinking it in. I'm enjoying what you're saying here.